So guys, I'm really trying to make a kitchen out of here. It's one bedroom, it's not that big actually, but I think when we decorate it, it's gonna be wide, you know, it's gonna be big. For now, it doesn't really look that big like the other ones. And I'm trying to make a kitchen here.
Guys, if you are wondering, we are discussing in this video, actually I'm trying to make some changes in the house. I try to ask the workers. The guy that you see is a plumber who's gonna do the plumbing job. But I asked him, you know, this kind of people, they see a lot. You know, they go to houses to do work. So they have more ideas, you know, than us. They see more houses than us. So I asked him what he thinks, because the houses is so big, Ali, the rooms are so huge. I wanted to make some changes to make it apartment. You know, every apartment, the kitchen inside, bathroom, everything. So that's what you're gonna see now. So he's gonna give me an idea of whatever I want to also do, and then we will see how we're gonna do it. But guys, you're gonna do these changes and you're gonna love it. So stay tuned.
But the guy, the plumber, is really have good ideas. Because the space is very small. I don't know how to do it. Can you please show us what we're trying to say? Ali, about the kitchen, we have to put some wall. I cannot really do it. Can you please show it again? What you were telling me? Yeah.
For starting, they should close here.
Yeah.
And then this here.
Yeah.
They should break this block.
Yeah. They should move it from there.
Yes,
yeah.
they should move this
block from there. Yeah. Yeah, and then just make another block there.
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
So like so the country I went to
no problem. Yes, that's fine.
Over is our block going.
Yeah.
Now they. I see. I one block. I say I one block.
Exactly.
It is hard, you know.
Yeah.
About the Shahana, near close.
Yeah. Near close this door.
Yes.
Okay.
Said you move by.
Yeah.
Ama in the panel.
Yeah.
It is now, sir, you know, Omodia bathroom.
Yeah. Yeah. This one he's talking about.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. This is the space. Yeah. But to be honest, even crab to my yeah, that's why I was saying yes. Because here toilet can go there.
Yes.
And a bath can even go there.
The bath can here.
Yeah.
And the toilet and basin.
Exactly, can even take all this space. Yeah, that's true. To be honest, yeah. So this wall is not necessary, to be honest. You can have the space for it.
Yes.
Yeah, when you remove the wall from it.
Yes.
Yeah. The big inside now, I know what you're talking about now. Yeah. Okay. So that's basically what he's trying to say about removing this block, because I'm trying to use the other space, is very small, to make it as a kitchen, so we can have a full apartment. So it's a great idea, because I didn't really know what I should use. It's too small. But it's a very great, it's a visionary. Yeah. Yeah, there we are. On the slide of a crab. Yeah. Yeah. Correct, yeah.
If you say ever can I say
For living room. On a prime move, yeah.
Yeah. Now, and your bedroom.
Yeah, okay.
It's in Uria. Casino. Then, let a bath.
Ah, okay.
Can position here. So,
yeah.
18.
Yeah.
Casino. What is that? Hannah, living room.
Everything. Yeah.
80. Hannah, officially.
Yeah.
On the proceed. Casino. Don't win soon.
Yeah, okay.
Don't win soon.
Yes, yeah. Okay.
Bedroom.
Okay.
So,
yeah.
The bedroom is in.
And more videos is gonna come. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate you guys. If you are watching me right now and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to click on the notification, so that when we have updates in the house, you are the first person gonna know it. Bye bye.